It is officially crunch time. The Super Bowl is this Sunday, and let's be honest, you wanted that brand new 85-inch OLED TV for the party. But looking at the $3,000 price tag, reality set in. But here is a secret that tech enthusiasts have known for years. Immersion isn't just about pixel count, it is about atmosphere. And if you are hosting the watch party this year, I am going to show you how to make your current 4000 TV feel twice as big for less than $100. It is called bias lighting, and specifically, we are looking at the Govee TV Backlight 3 Lite. Unlike those cheap USB LED strips that just glow one boring static color, the Govee system is smart. It uses a small camera mounted on top of your television. This camera actually watches your screen in real time. When the football field is green, your wall glows green. When the halftime show explodes in fireworks, your entire living room flashes in sync. It breaks the fourth wall of your television. I tested this during the playoffs, and the difference is jarring. When a team scores a touchdown, the explosion of color doesn't stop at the bezel. It floods your peripheral vision. It feels less like watching on a TV and more like being inside the stadium. Now, you might see a more expensive version called the Govee T2. But honestly, for a football party, you do not need to spend the extra money. The 3 Lite version is the value king. It has a new chip, better white balance, and it captures the fast motion of sports perfectly. Installation is the other big question. Is it hard? No, it takes about 20 minutes. You clean the back of your TV, stick on the light strip, mount the camera, and use the app to calibrate. Here is the most important part. It is currently Thursday, February 5th. If you have Amazon Prime, this can arrive at your doorstep in 2 days. That means if you order it right now, you will have it set up and ready before kickoff on Sunday. Don't let your guests watch the big game on a boring, dark screen. Upgrade your atmosphere. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment to grab the Govee 3 Lite before it goes out of stock.